Someone just posted a great review about us, and we wanted to share their fantastic feedback with you. We love telling everyone about it because our goal is to provide every individual with a 5-star experience. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top quality service. We work one-on-one with every individual to ensure we meet their expectations. Complete satisfaction is extremely important to our company. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We're always here to serve you.